Hello friends, welcome to Best Tutor. This is Rama Vishwanathan. In today's video, we are going to learn how to solve the quadratic equation by using Sridhar Acharya's formula where the term under the square root is a non-perfect square. In the earlier videos, we have seen how to solve or how to find the solutions when the number under the square root was a perfect square. That is nothing but applying the formula for problems where we can split the middle term. Now here, we are going to see an example. Let us try this example. Can we split the middle term? The product, is it in order? X square term, x term, constant term. So it is in order. Second step, can we split the middle term? The product of the first coefficient of x square and the constant is going to be 6. Product is equal to plus 6 and I want the sum to be minus 10, which is not possible. Factors of 6 are going to be less than 6 and the sum of those two factors can't be 10. So this is ruled out. It is not possible for us to solve this given equation by splitting the middle term. So we will directly apply the formula. What is the coefficient of x square here? 1. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to 6. So the formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let us apply this, correct substitution should be done. Minus b, actually b is minus 10. So what is minus b? Minus of minus 10. Minus of minus 10 is nothing but plus 10. It is nothing but additive inverse of minus 10, which is plus 10. So plus 10 plus or minus root of minus 10 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 6 by 2 into 1. Okay. When we start simplifying this, we get 10 plus or minus root of minus 10 whole square is going to be 100 minus 24 by 2. 10 plus or minus 76, isn't it? By 2. 100 minus 24 is going to be 76. 76 is not a perfect square. So how are we going to continue with the solution? 76 is not a perfect square, but we know we need to find the square root of this 76. And in the earlier videos, we have learned how to find the square root of the given number, which is not a perfect square, using long division method. You can refer to those videos. 76 square root by long division method. The first step is to pair up the numbers. 76 is the only pair, right? What is the perfect square closer to 76? Less than 76, not greater than 76. Okay, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81. So this number is in between 64 and 81. So I will choose 8 8s are 64. So here subtract 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 6 is 1 and we need to add here 8. We are going to leave the space for the ones digit and 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, so it's going to be 8 and here 12. Even if I put a 0 here, 160 into 0 is going to 0. Even if I put a 1, 161, if you remember, I am free to put any digit here right from 0 to 9. On one condition. The condition is I put a 0 here, I will multiply the entire number with 0. I put a 1, I will multiply with 1. I can't put 1 here. So first thing is I am going to put a decimal point and bring down a pair of zeros. Okay. Now let us try. I have 160 or 162 or 63 or whatever it is. I want 1200 here. So what can be the number? What if I try with 8? 8 8s are 64, 8 6 are 56 plus 6 is 62, 8 1s are 8 plus 16 is 14. 14 24 is bigger. So let us try with 166 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 3 is 39, 996, 49, 42 plus 4 46, 7 1s are 7 plus 4 is 11. 1169 is a suitable number. So it should be 167 into 7, which is going to be 1169. In such cases, you are advised to find the solution up to 2 decimal places. So to find the root of this solution to 2 decimal places, we need to find the square root till 2 decimal places. Okay. Now if I subtract we will get 31, and then get one more pair of zeros down. We need to add the same number and leave the space for the ones digit. 174. I have 1700 change. I want 3100. 17 2s are 34. So if I put a 2 here, it will be, the product will be greater than that. So I have to put 1 only. I'll get 1741. So you will get 1359. We have got till 2 decimal places. Actually, if at all in the question, if it is given, find the solution till 2 decimal places, we need to continue this for 3 decimal places and round it off. Here I am stopping it. It's going to be 10 plus or minus 8.71 by 2, which is going to be 10 plus 8.71 by 2, or 10 minus 8.71 by 2. It's going to be 18.71 by 2, or 10 minus 8.71. Please don't write it as 2.71. We need to be careful here. 10.00, 8.71. We need to be subtracting it properly. This is the procedure, if you remember, subtraction of decimals. 9, 2 and 1, 1.29. Okay, so it's going to be 1.29 by 2. We need to divide it. 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, so on. Is here, or okay, so we are going to get 9.355 or 0.645, and as I've asked it to round it off to 2 decimal places, 9.36 or 0.65. These are the 2 solutions of the given quadratic equation. In this video, we have learned how to solve the given quadratic equation, where this term which is under the bracket is a non-perfect square. So we are going to use the previous knowledge of finding out the square root by long division method, and we are going to apply it over there and simplify carefully. So this is the procedure of finding out the square root of the, finding out the solution of the quadratic equation, which is going to be dealing with square roots also. Right? In the next video, we are going to learn about nature of roots even without solving. Can I find out the nature of roots? Are they going to be real? Do they exist or not? We will check in the next video. Thank you.